Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our first lesson for the week on persuasive writing. Our learning intention this week is I'm learning to identify and explore the structure of persuasive text. And our success criteria is I can understand the purpose of a persuasive text, use the correct persuasive writing structure, use the 5-tick checklist to check and edit my sentences. So what are persuasive texts? Can you remember from last week? Let's just review what we learned. Persuasive texts present an opinion about a particular topic. Your opinion is what you think, feel, or believe about something. People can have different points of view about the same topic based on their own experience. This week we're going to be looking at the structure of persuasive texts. A structure means is how we write our thoughts and opinions down and in what order. There are 4 main parts to a persuasive text. First, we start with the title. Here we're telling the reader what topic we're going to be talking about. Next is the topic sentence. This is a really important sentence. It's like an introduction because here we're going to grab the reader's attention and we're going to state in really strong language what we think, what our opinion is and what we want to convince them of. The next part is the reasons. Now, because we're writing a persuasive text, we want to persuade or convince the reader to think what we think. And in order to do that, we can't just state what we have to back it up with reasons. So it's a good idea to at least give the reader at least 3 reasons, and then for each reason we're going to give them a bit of supporting evidence to support what we're saying. And the last part is our conclusion. And our conclusions is when we're going to sum it all up. We're going to put it back together and then we're going to restate our opinion just to really reinforce what we want the reader to believe. I now want us to look at a couple of examples of persuasive text. What I'm going to do is read through them and then we're going to look at them again and we're going to try and work out what information goes under what headings according to the structure that I was just talking about. The first one is all children should learn to swim. Swimming is an important life skill that all children should learn. Firstly, children need to learn how to swim so that they can stay safe around water. Secondly, swimming is great exercise and can help children to stay fit and healthy. Finally, once children know how to swim, they will be able to enjoy swimming throughout their lives. For all these reasons, it's vital that all children learn how to swim. Now, can you see how I've taken that text and I've cut it up into various sections of it? Here's the title. All children should learn how to swim. Now here's the opening statement. Swimming is an important life skill that all children should learn. Then we're ready for the first reason. So now we're going to say why we believe. Firstly, children need to learn how to swim to stay safe around water. Second reason, it's great for exercise. And I've backed it up saying it helps children to stay fit and healthy. Thirdly, it can be enjoyable, and not only for now, but all throughout their lives. Then finally, we're going to sum it up by saying, for all these reasons, it is essential. See, that word's a really strong word. It's essential that all children should learn how to swim. Now, have we convinced you? Our second text is children should not eat fast food. Now remember, persuasive text is expressing someone's opinion. It doesn't mean it's true. You may agree, you may not. So let's see what this author has written. Fast food is not a good choice for children and should be avoided. Firstly, fast food is high in fat and sugar. Both of these can make children unhealthy. Secondly, fast food is full of preservatives, which are not good for children's health. Lastly, fast food does not contain any healthy nutrients that young bodies need to grow. For these reasons, it's essential that children avoid eating fast food. Okay, so once again, you can see that I've taken the text and I've chopped it up and I've put it under the headings according to the structure of a persuasive text. So we started with our title, then we've got our opening sentence. And in this case, the author is telling you, or they're stating their opinion, that fast food is no good for children and should be avoided. Then they've backed it up by giving you, the reader, 3 reasons. The first reason they stated was that food is high in fat and sugar. Then they backed it up by saying that this can make children unhealthy. Then they gave you a second reason. They said fast food is full of preservatives. And they backed that up by saying it's not good for children's health. The third reason they stated was that fast food does not contain any healthy nutrients. And then they backed that up by saying that they imply that young bodies need healthy nutrients to grow. Then lastly, they summed it up with the conclusion, for these reasons, it is essential. Now that's a strong word. It is essential that all children should avoid eating fast foods. Now, did the author persuade you? Now it's your turn. You're going to write a persuasive text or make a persuasive text with the title Dogs Make the Best Pets. But don't worry, you don't have to come up with the information. I've done that part for you. Now, to complete this task, you can do it one of 3 ways. First of all, you can go and find the worksheet that's in, if you go into the Week 5 folder for English, you can find a file that says Monday Writing Task. You can download and print it, and then all you have to do is you're going to be cutting up the statements and sticking them down under the correct headings. Or you might choose to just, if you don't have a printer, you can copy it on a piece of paper and write it out that way. Or the final way is this worksheet I've put into your completed work document. And I've even made a video on how to complete it by typing it in or cutting and pasting the information. So let's have a closer look at our task today. Here's the worksheet that I've made. You can see I've set it up just like the structure of a persuasive text. I've got the title, topic sentence, my 3 reasons, and a space for my concluding statement. Now, the topic sentence, we've got the title's been done for you, and I've also done the topic sentence. So the title is Dogs Make the Best Pets. The topic beginning sentence statement is, when it comes to pets, dogs are certainly the best choice. Now, my second statement gives the reader a bit of a hint of my 3 reasons that I'm going to be talking about. First, they're loyal, they're affectionate, and active companions. Now, to work out what I'm going to do, I'm going to be looking for those 3 words in the statements because that's going to give me a hint. I've also made it a little bit easier because I've highlighted firstly, secondly, for these reasons, and thirdly. So we know that that's going to be the first sentence in each of the sections. So let's go for firstly. Firstly, dogs are incredibly loyal companions. Well, we know loyal means that they're going to be a good family pet. They're always going to be there for you. So let's see if we can find another statement that means that. Okay. Other animals might have some good qualities. No. You can keep fit. Well, no, that's talking about being active. We've got, they are part of a family and will always be there for you. That means they're going to be loyal. So I know that sentence goes with firstly. So let's go to secondly. Secondly, dogs are extremely affectionate animals. Well, the word affectionate means love. So I need to find something that talks about love. Let's go down and have a look. I'll skim and scan. Look at the last one. No other animal can show their love quite like a dog can. So I know that's going to go with my second. My third one, dogs are active. Oh, I remember we've talked about keeping fit. That was up here. You can always keep fit, taking your dog for walks and playing games. Now that's all my reasons done. Now I have to sum it up with my conclusion. So I'm going to start with, for these reasons, it's clear that dogs make the best pets. And then I'm going to finish it up with, other animals might have some good qualities, but dogs are the best. Do you agree? Well, once again, I'm looking forward to seeing how you complete the task. If you're doing it on a piece of paper or on a worksheet, please take a photo of it and upload it into your working document, or watch the video and I'll even demonstrate how you can do this task online.